amongst us all the colleges to be a part of the excitement, enthusiasm and experience of this year's Luminance. They say prayer is as natural as an expression of faith as breathing is of life. I request you all to please raise up for the prayer.
Chinmayarupa Chiranjeeva Sneha Surupa Jagadisha Jeeva Sandayega Namikkunnu Kanivodennum Anugrihikku Chinmayarupa Chiranjeeva ആയിരം വസന്തങ്ങൾ വിരിഞ്ഞാലും ആയിരം മഴവില്ലു തെളിഞ്ഞാലും നിതാന്ത സൗന്ദര്യമേ നിന്റെ മുൻപിൽ നിഷ്പ്രഭമല്ലോ ചരാചരങ്ങൾ.
Now I invite on stage Professor N.K. Prabhu, Principal, DC School of Management and Technology, to deliver the welcome address.
A very hearty good morning and welcome each one of you. I welcome the judges, the faculty members from other institutes, the students from other institutes of this country. We have students from various institutes from various other countries, other parts of the state also. I also welcome our teachers, non-teaching members, and especially the student community of this particular institute. At the outset, let me just tell you, this is a unique institute, very young, just 6 years of age. And in these 6 years of age, we are also been in a very rural setting, a very good environment-friendly place, wherein you can breathe a lot of oxygen. Your lives will become much more wealthier in terms of physical fitness by being over here even for 2 days or 3 days. And as young people means students who are aspiring to be, I would say, business women and businessmen, students who are aspiring to be managers, possibly after some time also occupying the position of the chief executives after some time, students who may start their own non-government organizations, who might be in the service sector. This is an opportunity for you to unleash your potential. This is an opportunity to use your energy, resources to demonstrate, have visibility, also have a lot of fun. In these 2 days, the program is quite packed and we offer you something, a leveled ground wherein you can really show your talent. Talent is divine. Talent is God. And we believe that the theme of this Luminance is we are going back to our own scriptures of this country, where everything is very well laid out. I think when Vidya, who opened the inning, said, prayer is like breath. If there's no breath, we all die. Breath is life. If breath is life, if prayer is life, over here, each one of you have a chance to prove your mettle. Again, this is a unique type of management fest or festival because you are all staying over here. It's possible we have overstretched ourselves in providing facilities for you, and there might be some inconvenience at times, but I still believe we have around 300 odd students providing you service. Add to that, we have around 25 teachers We have around 25 non-teaching staff at your beck and call. These people are available to you at all times during these 2 days. Do make use of them and prove your mettle. The students who win the event and the students who don't win the event, both are okay with us. Because it's quite possible in any event, some people will win and some people may not win. But then you're definitely participating with the sportsman spirit, because that's necessary. And we would welcome that. We would take the equal care for those people who win and those people who don't win. And we'll have a grand inauguration today evening. We'll also have a grand final tomorrow. And in the night, we have a lot of fun. I hope each one of you will enjoy being over here and will remember back and take back sweet memories of being in this campus. This is also an opportunity for you to network, because after having spent 2 days over here, you will have good friends, loving friends, affectionate people, not only from our college, but also from other colleges, which again is going to be very helpful to you in today's world, because which has become very tough in terms of competition. Till last year, it was very easy to get a career or a job in an organization. From this year onwards, it is going to be a tough thing. Although there are speakers in this stage who say it's not that tough. Let me tell you, it is not only an entry that is going to be tough, it is going to be tough to remain at the place where you are. As the marketing jargon goes, if you want to live a life, you have to continue running. And this event possibly will help you to continue running and reaching your goal, achieving your target. I think there is no shortcut. It is the passion, it is the madness to do something right at all times, always, even now. With these few words, I would also request my friend who is over here from the student side, Anupam, to share about what are the events in store for you for the day. We'll again meet. We'll meet in the evening. We'll meet tomorrow. We'll meet again tomorrow late evening. With these few words, welcome again. Welcome everybody. Thank you.
Teaching and non-teaching staff, participants from various colleges, and my dear friends, a very good morning to all of you. Let me thank the participants who have come to our serene and vibrant college for the All India Management Meet Luminance 08. We had always organized theme-based All India Management Fest, and this year also, we are continuing that legacy. These management fests have become a part of the culture of the DCS MAT institutions. Last year, we came up with the Egyptian theme, and for the Luminance 06 with the scientific theme. This year, continuing the legacy and the culture, we are back again with the theme, Back to Vedas. DCS MAT institutions has always been imbibing some value addition in the activity it does. This time, if we are coming with the Vedic theme, we have a good reason to bring it forward. Amidst the hustle and bustle of this fast-moving world, we are continuously forgetting the past Vedic age cultures and the practices which were active in that era. If we turn the pages of the Vedas, we can see what we are doing in our day-to-day life. Everything is elaborated there. We all know the present modern cities, which are all standing on the ruins of the Vedic era cities, which can be easily found in the books of history. In that era, India was the most vibrant knowledge and trading hub, and the most prominent character of that era was Kautilya, who capitalized on Vedas and came up with Arthashastra, Rajaniti, Vidurniti, Kutniti, and Vyapar. In this event, we attempt to provide you with experience of the charms and glimpse of the Vedic era. If you want any sort of help, please feel free to contact our help desk at any point of time which is working at Aditya. With all these things, I wish you all good luck and all the best. And moreover, thanks for your patient hearing. Thank you.